I'm Patrick O'Neill, and we thank you for visiting the Beacon Catalyst website. As I'm sure you've noticed, the world is in chaos. And even here in the United States, Christianity is under attack at unprecedented levels. We're witnessing dramatic lifestyle choices and an alarming number of people turning away from Christian influence and truth for their lives. The global business world is quickly becoming a post-Christian marketplace as secular forces appear to rule the day. We have more marketplace ministries than ever before, and yet churches, both large and small, appear to be losing the battle for the hearts and minds of those who don't know Christ and even those who do. Why is this happening? Where have we fallen short in releasing the truth and power of the gospel? Why are we unable to set people free with the knowledge of their true purpose? How did we allow secular humanism to begin winning the war to remove Christ from the workplace? Where are the Christian business leaders willing to fight the battle to protect America from becoming a godless society? These questions and the current state of our culture are motivating factors behind the formation of Beacon Catalyst Group. It's our hope and purpose to serve, unite, and mobilize Christian leaders in the marketplace at every level to answer God's calling to be His kingdom ambassadors, right where He's divinely placed each one of us.